In this video, you'll learn how to create a custom login portal using your own white label domain so your clients can log in through a URL like app.youragency.com instead of a generic system link. We'll walk through setting up the DNS record in Cloudflare and then connecting that subdomain inside your GoHighLevel account. By the end, you'll have a branded login page that looks and feels like it belongs to your agency. First, let's talk about what we're creating. So the login portal is simply a subdomain such as appyourdomain.com that points to GoHighLevel. When clients visit that URL, they're actually going to GoHighLevel, but everything is masked behind your own domain, which is what makes it white labeled. To start, log into your Cloudflare account and open the domain you want to use for your login portal. In the dashboard, go to the DNS section. This is where all of your records like A records and CNAME records are managed. Now we're going to add a new DNS record for the login portal. Look for the option that says Add Record and click it. For the record type, select Name. This tells Cloudflare that this subdomain is an alias that points to another hostname. In the name field, type the prefix you want to use for your login URL. A common choice is app, so your final URL becomes app.yourdomain.com. You can also use something like CRM or login if that fits your branding better. Whatever you choose here will be the first part of the URL your clients see, so pick something simple and professional. Next, in the target field, enter app.msgsndr.com. This is the address provided by GoHighLevel, and it's where your subdomain will actually point behind the scenes. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that it's spelled correctly, because even a small typo can break the connection. Now pay close attention to the proxy status setting. You'll see a little cloud icon next to the record. Change this to DNS only, which will show as a gray cloud, not orange. This is very important. GoHighLevel manages its own SSL certificates for your white label domain. If Cloudflare is proxying the traffic with the orange cloud, the SSL verification from GoHighLevel will fail and your login portal won't work correctly. So double check that it's set to DNS only with the gray cloud. Once you've selected SNAME as the type, entered your chosen name, set the target to app.msgsndr.com and confirm that proxy status is DNS only, go ahead and save the record. With the DNS side done, the final step is to set this same subdomain inside GoHighLevel. In your GoHighLevel account, go to the settings area where you configure your white label or custom domains. When prompted for the white label or login domain, enter the exact subdomain you just created in Cloudflare, such as app.yourdomain.com. Save your changes in GoHighLevel and then give it a little time for DNS to propagate. This can be a few minutes, but in some cases may take a bit longer, depending on your DNS settings. After propagation, visit your new login URL in a browser. You should see the GoHighLevel login page, but now it's fully branded under your own domain. That's all it takes to create your white label login portal.